Trader, Saturday, late afternoon, big request on the Nasdaq-100 hourly chart. We gapped up on Friday. We hit a 52-week bull high and totally reversed. There is big risk for the Nasdaq-100 next week to have big volatility and get slammed. It is at risk. We have heavy tech earnings next week, 4 of them coming out. Listen to me if you're listening to the video. If you're listening for guidance, then you're at the right spot right here, right now, today. I've given a warning that the volatility can get really big next week in the NASDAQ 100. I'm telling you up front. A lot of people have been asking me, after you make a 52-week bull high, you don't go negative on the trading day. That is something we hadn't seen in a while right here on the index itself. The index last time sold off right over here and we bounced and made a new bull high as anticipated. This time there's a lot of risk and a lot to be worried about. Join our free 5-day trial.